gosh, this smells so good. I am hungry. Guys, welcome back to the vlog today. With Ramadan fast approaching, I'm really excited to share with you one of my favourite recipes. Today we're going to cook a Yemeni Chicken Mandi with a Zhough sauce, which is like a chili sauce, and it's absolutely delicious. Ingredients for the Zhough today is 100 grams of coriander that's fresh, a long red chili, half a lemon juice, half a teaspoon of cumin, a quarter of a teaspoon of cardamom, 3 garlic cloves and 50 ml of extra virgin olive oil. Ingredients for the pre-marinated chicken that you will mix together and marinate with the chicken overnight. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of coriander, half of a lemon juice, half of a teaspoon of turmeric, half of a teaspoon of salt and fresh ground pepper. Using 1 large chicken or butterflied Maryland chicken for the mandi. For the rice, you will need 2 cups of basmati rice, 500 ml or 2 cups of water, 250 ml, 1 cup of chicken stock and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And last but not least, the spices for the rice: 1 medium cinnamon stick, 1 tablespoon of black peppercorn, 2 bay leaves, 4 green chilies, a pinch of saffron and hot water, 4 cloves, 3 cardamom pods, 1 large onion chopped, half a lemon juice and zest of lemon. Guys, now for the first step, we're going to prepare the Zhough, which is like the chili sauce that's traditional Yemeni style. And the easiest way for me, I find, to do this is just simply a NutriBullet. Let's start with the chili, 3 garlic cloves, some coriander, the oil. Sometimes you may need to add more oil depending on the lemon juice and how thick or how runny you wish to have it. Okay, may even add more coriander after. We're going to go with a squeeze of lemon as much as we can because I love it tangy. And our spices: coriander and cardamom. Now we're in business. And if you prepare it the night before, it will thicken up a little bit, and that is beautiful. That is our Zhough sauce. Okay guys, so now to start preparing the rice for the mandi. So we're going to start with the oil in the pan. I've got it on around medium heat. Next thing we will be adding is our dry spices. So our 4 cloves, our 3 cardamom, our cinnamon, our pepper, and our bay leaves. So now that our spices are fragrant, it smells absolutely beautiful in here. You will notice I've chopped the onion and the green chili, and we're going straight in and making sure that we really work the dry spices through the chili and the onion. So we'll leave that for a couple of minutes now until it's translucent. We're going to add the rice for 20 seconds and coat in all the spices and the onion. So just quickly, we're going to add the chicken stock that we pre-prepared and the water. And we're going to let this boil. So once it gets to a boiling state, we will be turning it off, ready to prepare for the oven. So we'll just leave that to simmer and get to a boil. So you can see here we have now reached boiling point and the rice is al dente. So now we are ready to assemble the mandi. Let's do this. Okay guys, now that we have prepared our rice, you will notice that I have pre-greased an oven pan. I do have like a grill that will sit on top of the oven pan. And what we're going to do is start spooning in this pre-cooked al dente rice mixture in the bottom. So as you can see, we've now spooned everything in as an even layer across the pan to add a drizzle of lemon. Our masterpiece chicken that we have marinated overnight. So what we will do now is actually get this grill piece, place it on top. I've got 3 Maryland chickens that I've marinated overnight. We spoke about the marinade a little bit earlier. So the beauty of mandi is all the beautiful sauces of the chicken are going to actually drip onto the rice. And most importantly, we need to baste, also inclusive of our special ingredient, which is the saffron water. So we're going to do the same thing. Okay, so now that we have prepared the chicken on top of the rice, I've poured all the excess basting on top. Always a layer of baking paper to keep the moisture in on top of the chicken, like that. And you can even do it the other side too. Okay. So we wrap it like a parcel and then alfoil on top. Ready for the oven. We beautifully wrap it so it's nice and tight, ready to go in the oven. Okay guys, our Yemeni Chicken Mandi is ready. Let's get it out of the oven and put it off. Oh yeah, beautiful, swing. It's all finished. Now let's plate it up and finish our beautiful Yemeni Chicken Mandi. Next, we're going to sprinkle some saffron water just to finish and give it a bit of a stir through the rice. Last but not least, fresh lemon zest that I peeled a little bit earlier to give it that tanginess. Beautiful zhough that we made earlier. Our beautiful pieces of chicken on top and of the saffron water. And last but not least, some fresh coriander. That for you, my friends, is my Yemeni Chicken Mandi with zhough. Basaha. See you next time. Make sure to subscribe and enjoy.